Hello, we are the 2021 to 2022 York Country Day Greyhound team. I'm Olivia.
I'm Hazel.
I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Allison.
We're going to the ANSTAC company to give you a closer look into what goes into the heart of their facility.
My name is Carly A. Young, and I am the Chief Creative Officer at the ANSTAC company. My favorite part of ANSTAC printing are the endless possibilities. I like to say that we have a marketer's playground where we can create, ideate, and then we can walk across the hall and see it all happen through production.
My name's Jennifer Webb and I'm a graphic designer. The different kinds of projects I get to do, the people, working with the different kinds of customers, so a wide range.
My name is Eric Scott. I'm a printer and I run the digital offset presses at the shop here, the HP 12000 Indigo, and I also run the 6-color Komori.
Thank you for watching, and that's what's so cool about the ANSTAC company.